watch in effect until tomorrow night is because the amount of rainfall we're going to be getting anywhere from 3 to 6 inches. If you live in flood prone areas, please keep a close eye on the water. It will rise quickly if we get those sudden bursts of a few thunderstorms with this. Also the streets and residential areas. Now, what about the rainfall totals? A great map to look at visually. I'm a visual learner. I love maps like this because it kind of gives you an idea, a picture in your image there of where you can expect the most rainfall. The white area, and most of it north of the river and north of I-70, both on the Kansas and Missouri sides, can be 5 to 6 inches of rainfall. The metro as an area average 3 to 4 inches. So no matter where you live on this map, you're getting a pretty good soaking from this system. All right, now for the good news. When we talk about Monday, July 4th, not only will the rain be out of here, but we're going to have a very comfortable 78 degrees for a daytime high. And then summer returns. Do you want to see this? Yeah, back into the 90s we go.